Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone. TRB, the first video that I made about TRB some few days ago, I gave you a technical target all the way down to 135, giving you a stop loss at $163, and you've pretty much come down here, and it doesn't look like this is the end of it. So I want to show you the EMAs at the moment. So if you look at the EMAs, you previously had your bull cross and a very nice lovely push up since August, and you know it's just been going up and up and up and up, went for the retracement and then kept on pushing to the upside. Now at the moment you are holding the EMA, which is quite a little bit of a good sign right here. You still are above the 55 EMA, so that's a good sign, at least for now. And with that said, this is the last hope for TRB. That's all I'm going to say. It's an EMA crossover. You're holding the EMA as your support right now. The last time you did so, you pushed up, you came down, you held the EMA, you tried to go under the EMA, but you still ended up pushing above the EMA, and now you came down again, you're holding the EMA. So if you do start to continue, that's still okay, it's still fine. But if you start to go below the EMAs, close below the EMAs, you're looking for a drop down to even $73, and that's going to be nearly a 44% move down. So you really have to be careful. Another thing that I can help you with is the following. We have a squeeze that is about to happen, right? You have the 55 coming up, okay? You have the 55, you have the 10 and the 20 that are crawling down at the moment. So if I extend this and try to predict where the future is, 12th January is a date which you're going to have both of the squeeze coming to an end. So you have 6 more days. Within 6 days we should be looking at another pop. If you are good enough to hold the support, you may actually continue. Who knows, right? Because no one told you that this coin was going to pump from this area all the way to the upside. So if things go good, right, we may see, you know, a potential push again all the way to the upside. But if you start to drop and you start to take out $109 and go below it, and you start to close the 55 for the first time ever, you're going to result and print a bear cross. And when you print a bear cross, you're looking for further retracement, and as I told you before, that's when we may see a target for $74. And that's all for the video, but I still want to show you one more thing before I close the video, and that is there's this support here that I noticed, and I'm going to show you right over there, which you broke above. It's something like this, right? So if you try to notice a little bit, you have your, you know, your break like this. So touch number 1 and a move to the downside, a touch number 2 right over there, you came down, and this is a very big break, right? Very big break with a bullish closing. You're coming down for the retest, and it does look like you are holding that line. This is quite good, actually, not really bad. You can see that you really have a morning star right next to that you know, resistance, which is now acting as a little bit of support. If I try to just show you a little bit like this, so it does look like things are a little bit good. So let's say if you try to break below 105, then you may go even lower. If I try to turn off this little bit of actually just ignore that. Anyways, that's all I want to see. There's something I wanted to say but doesn't make sense, and that's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.